Love African cooked meal, you are in the right place. Especially you love Sudanese cooked meal, especially South Sudan. You are in the right place. You want to learn more about South Sudan or Africa, you are in the right place. So today we're gonna make dish most liked dish in South Sudan, even Northern Sudan. This dish here is called Tabiq, and that's what we are starting the video with. This video has got three top video inside, three different dishes, and we reach to the dishes. I'm gonna explain the dishes according to the category of the dish. We got three dishes in this video. So today we're starting with the tabiq. Tabiq is one of the favorite food in South Sudan, Northern Sudan. You start by cutting your onion, fry them. You use a lot of onion. When I mean a lot, you can use 3 to 4, depend with the size you are making it for. You're making for family, like for me, I make for family. These are 2 large onion I cut right there. But you can chop 3 to 4 as long they are small, or maybe medium size. And what we are making today is called khosra in Arabic. And the khosra mufroom, banana khosra mufroom in Arabic. Kwaichol khosra chigur in Dinka. And I don't know in English how you call it, but that's all I can say is khosra. We are making tabiq khosra. And you start by frying your onion. When you fry, you put your meat inside, and then you have salata. You use salata. Salata is a must. But I just have a tomato paste, tomato sauce. That's what I use in there. And you have to make sure the soup are very small inside so it doesn't become nice. So what you need to do, you need to make sure the soup are enough and a good consistent for you to be able to make it. And you eat it with kisra, or you can go with H2, depend what you're eating. And that is that. And so you want more information about the dish we just made first, you can just ask specific, and I will make sure to form it alone and just give you the information and the instruction. And the second dish here is called chicken Afrito. It's American dish. It's like a white people dish. It's not Sudanese, but we are trying it here in this channel because my kid love it. And I just want to learn more about the culture I live in. And I learned to grow here in Canada. I want to try the local food they enjoy. And you love trying new things. You can try it too. And like you see in the video, I don't have to explain a lot. You just need to cut your chicken breast and seasoning it well, and then fry it, and then grill it. Actually, you grill it. When you're done, you cut a bit of chunk of onion and a bit of garlic, and then you put your white cream in there. It can be whipped cream. And you're going to put your cheese, and then those spices you may like. Don't over seasoning it. Just make sure the consistency is very nicely. And then you can boil your pasta on the other side, and then just mix it. You're good to go. And then pour it on top, and then you got a meal for a day to have. It's very easy to make and simple recipe to follow. Even I don't mention it, you can just follow the video. And the second dish is going to be chicken. Yeah. This chicken, I'm frying it, and I just made it for my kid because my kid loves fried chicken too. But this chicken, actually, I wanted to make it so many days ago, but I couldn't get the time to do so. But today, I just said, oh my dear, let me just make it, and then I will just join the video together and just make it one whole video so we can enjoy together. Because we all know we love a good video as long as it brings value. You like the video, you can subscribe for more African food, and for more South Sudanese food, and for more West food, or I would say that North America food, that I can say, or Canadian food. Yeah, and we're good to go. And you can leave me a like and a comment. What was your favorite part about the video? And what should I make next? If you feel generous, you can join my membership. And you can get more information there, because when I start having a few members, I can start giving you a recipe that you can follow anytime in the day. Now it's Christmas, and we're going to be home like 2 to 3 days, and that is the best time for us to cook and just have dinner or maybe lunch And this channel here focus on giving you the recipe for the family or dishes that include family, because we make family dishes friendly and friendly dishes too. They are good to follow and they're easy to follow and easy to make. Doesn't consume a lot of time as long as you follow. So the chicken we're seasoning with my seasoning, but you can season with the seasoning of your choice. It doesn't have to be specific, the seasoning I gave you. It can be any seasoning of your choice and you're good to go. And you can just lay them inside the hot oil and fry them until they become golden brown. When they become golden brown, they're going to become crispy. I add that flour to make it, give it that crispiness so that it tastes amazing. And don't forget garlic, because give it that aroma. Never go away. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and share. And share your opinion in the comment section. See you in the next video. And just enjoy the chicken. And let me enjoy it too. Yeah, I love making dishes. And I love food. And I love cooking. That's what we do. People cook. Enjoy it later. That's it. Making food for your loved one. It's a very incredible thing and beautiful. As we come to the season of Christmas and New Year, it's a good time to connect and enjoy dishes. See you in the next video.